the battle over the abortion pill is now in the hands of the Supreme Court. Justice Samuel Alito has put on hold lower court rulings that restricted access to the pill until the High Court can now hear arguments.
The justice's order expires at 1 minute before midnight on Wednesday, so the court is expected to release its decision this week. Dale Hurd has the latest.
The High Court will consider whether to grant the Biden administration's request to preserve FDA approval of the drug mifepristone, which is used in more than half of all U.S. abortions.
Are we going to back down?
No! Recent court rulings allow the pill to remain widely available, but under new restrictions. Pro-abortion advocates have been organizing protests. And one Democrat accused Republicans of wanting to ban what she called a safe medication.
What is it going to be next? Is that judge going to not like birth control pills? Are we going to have a judge that doesn't like Lipitor?
I think that's totally alarmist. It's totally alarmist. And by the way, when did the FDA go above the law?
District Judge Matthew Kaczmarek issued a stay earlier this month to bar the prescription and distribution of mifepristone, one of the 2 abortion pills approved for use in the U.S. more than 2 decades ago, saying the FDA had improperly rushed the drug's approval process. An appeals court partially reversed that ruling, forbidding a challenge to FDA approval, but said mifepristone can no longer be sent via mail and is only available to women up to 7 weeks pregnant instead of 10 weeks. Some Republicans are worried about opinion surveys that show abortion could hurt them at the polls. A Pew survey showed most Americans think the pill should remain legal in their state, 53%. Versus 22% who oppose it. However, Republican governors who passed strong pro-life laws did well in the November elections. Georgia Republican Governor Brian Kemp is one of them and says Republicans need to do a better job of explaining their position to people.
We have to explain to people what we're for. When I tell people we're a state that values life, people are principled in this country, and I think voters understand that even if they disagree with you.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis just signed a 6-week abortion ban called the Heartbeat Bill, and polls in Florida show 62% of Floridians support it.
This bill is protecting, obviously, the life of unborn babies from as early as 6 weeks when a heartbeat is first detected. And obviously, women's lives are going to be safe and protected through this bill.
Some observers think Republican presidential contenders will be walking a tightrope on the issue between the party's pro-life base and those voters who want the abortion pill to remain legal. Dale Hurd, CBN News.